Yeah, very good evening, Jait. Yes, Raghav is joined.
Ma'am, today classes are till 7:15.
Yeah. Yes, ma. Any difficult children? Any
No,
difficult?
ma'am. Ma'am, like you started
Yeah.
at 6:15, right? That's
Yeah.
why.
Yes, ma'am. Because I have other meeting today. Children, are you there? Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Today we have meeting with the departmental meeting, children. According to exam, CBSE board exam is going to start from Monday in my school, so that there is a meeting is happening. That's why I'm unable to join right time for previous class. It delays now 15 to 20 minutes. It's continuously delaying. So our class till 7:30 possible. I can take us 7:15 to 7:30.
Ma'am, which chapter we are going to do today?
Yes, comparing quantities, Jay.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Raghav.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, how are you, ma'am? It's been a long time.
I'm good, Raghav, because your maybe network issue, you're unable to speak. I'm thinking little later we will talk. And once again, there are many students I didn't meet after their PG exam also. How are you all, children? Congratulations once again, all my students who scored well in their PG exam. Good job. Keep it up, children.
Thank you.
Right, Nana. 1 minute, children, I'll come to you because I have to download some part of the textbook here. Chapter 8 is comparing quantities, right? Right, slowly we will just discuss each and every point once again and we'll start our session, children. In this first question, you say, children, find the ratio of rupees 5 to 50 pies. In this question, the units are not same. Is it units are same, children? Jay, please.
Oh, ma'am, like, ma'am, first the 5 rupees, 1 rupee is equal to 100 rupees. So, 500 pies, 500 pies divided by 50 pies.
Very. So that it's a 10,
Yes,
10
ma'am.
by 1 is
Calculation
nothing
will
but
be
10 is
10 by 1, ma'am. 10 is to 1.
10 is to 1. Ratio we supposed to write 10 is to 1.
10 is to 1.
Very good. Next question, please. Ishan, can you please give the C-bit answer?
Yes,
Ishan.
ma'am. 9 meters to 27 centimeters, ma'am. The fraction will be 9 over 1, 27 over 20. Wait, no, sorry, ma'am. 9 over 1, 27 over 100, ma'am. No, 27 over 1000, ma'am. 2.7 over 100, 27 over 1000.
I want only fraction, the ratio. What is the ratio of 9 meters to 27
And the
centimeters?
ratio of that will be 900 to 27, and we can, ma'am, we can lower that
Very
to 300 over 9, and we can further lower that to 100 over 3.
Very good, Nana. Very good. Then it's can I write it as 100 is to 3? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next, Srusti, please give the B-bit answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 15 kg, 1 gram is equals to 1000 kg. So 15 into 1000. And we have to do.
Yes, please repeat. Please repeat. 1 kg equal to.
Ma'am, 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. So we have to do
Right.
15.
Right. Right,
And
15,000 is to 210. 15,000 is to 210. You just simplify whatever the value you are getting here.
ma'am,
Yes.
15,000 to
Hmm. So 0 will be cancelled. 3 sevens are 3 fives are 500 is to 7, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. In the written as 500 is to 7.
Ma'am,
Right.
can you also
Next.
do like 15 into 1000 divided by 210 into 1, which is equals to 500 is to 7?
Yes, right, ma. Next, Gohit, are you there, Gohit? Gohit.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
Yeah, Gohit, you see the D bit, Gohit. One is in days, one is in hours. Can you
Yes, ma'am.
please tell 36 days to 36 days to?
Ma'am,
Sorry, 30 days to.
36 hours.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
please.
first we have to convert 30 days into hours. So 30 into 24.
Very one day equal to how many hours?
Ma'am, 1 day is equals to 24 hours.
So 30 days is nothing but 30
Ma'am,
into
24 into
24.
30.
Yeah, it's nothing but 24 3 times. Children, you should be little fast. You're learning many days math classes.
720.
Brahmins. Brahmins are classes 720. Now 720 is to 720 divided with 36. Come on,
Yes,
children.
Ma'am, 720 divided by 36.
36 ones are 36 twos are 72, right? So 20
ma'am.
is to 1, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. This is
Ma'am, also,
you
have we
have to
completed
little fast.
exponents in this? Ma'am, have we completed exponents?
I think long back we
Yeah,
completed.
yes,
We
completed.
started. I think completed, children. If next week onwards, whatever the portions are completed, once again revision part we will discuss. Don't worry, Gohit.
Okay,
If you have
ma'am.
any doubts, based on 8
Because I
rules
was
only, we are
asking, I had
complete chapter.
exam. I have an exam on Tuesday because of exponents. Sir.
Okay, please share your free time, Nana, so that I can help you in that topic. Please put your convenient time. Message me personally so that I can see and I make you more perfect in that.
Ma'am, my
Right.
term exams will be starting on December.
December after 10th grade exams, children, CBSE board exams are having, I think so, first week, maybe it ends, right?
Yes.
Ishan, when is your exam? Math
Ma'am,
exam?
mine
When
are
is your
from-
exam?
My math exam is I'm not sure exactly when my math is, ma'am, but the exams start on December 1st. I think I have math on December 14th. It's one of my last exams.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have this chapter. Ma'am,
How
ma'am,
many
maths
chapters?
exam starts this. Ma'am, this Saturday I have maths exam.
Yes, ma'am. Max,
Okay,
we are
Ishan,
just home.
Ma'am, I have
is
5
it
chapters.
completed
I have
all the chapters?
I have 5 chapters, ma'am.
5
Our school goes differently than the foundation class, ma'am.
Okay, right. What are the chapters you have?
Congruence in triangles, exponents,
Okay.
algebra, symmetry,
Okay.
and there's one more, ma'am. I haven't started the revision of math yet, ma'am, because it's the last exam. I've only done social science.
Yeah. Please, whatever we are completed, most of the concepts like algebra completed,
Yes,
exponents
ma'am.
and
All of the
powers completed.
all of the things we
Uh,
have in that exam have been completed in this class, ma'am.
Yeah. Please, if any are not, if you face any difficulties, let me know, Ishan, so that we can discuss and plan for
I
the
understand
preparation.
everything. I understood everything.
Okay. Right, Nana, right.
Ma'am,
Next
this-
part, you just children. Next, let me share the next part of the question. Just a minute, children. I'll come to you. Yes, you see, children, these questions, there are convert the following to percentages. Here there are few fractions given, few decimal parts is given. How you supposed to convert a fraction to decimals? Sorry, fraction to decimals. Anyway, we are learning fractions to percentage. Here they're asking about convert the following
Ma'am,
into
12 by 16 into
100%.
100 is
You
10
just
meters.
multiply with into 100%. Children, here there you have to simplify this. Always belongs to numerator only. 100 can be written as
Ma'am,
100 by
value
1
by
to
total value into 100%.
yes. So fraction
Formula
multiplied
of
with 100%. Come on, please simplify, children.
Ma'am,
What is that for
75.
75.
for one,
75.
right? 25, 3 times 75%, right? Coming to decimal also same thing, Nana. You need to just multiply
Ma'am,
with
3 by 5 is
100%.
100.
350 because decimal
Ma'am,
move
your
towards
voice is
2 places
breaking.
right side. My
Ma'am, your
voice is breaking. children. 1 minute.
Ma'am, 60
My
places.
signals are good.
Ma'am, 60
Okay, 3
places.
point. Please mute yourself, children. Please mute your mic. Please mute your mic. Listen, children. Then we will go with exercise sums. Step by step, I'm going to call you so that you can answer there. 3.5 is a decimal number. You want to convert a decimal number into a fractions means you need to multiply with 100%.
Ma'am,
So
3.
3.5. Yes, multiplied with 100% means decimal move towards 2 places right side, children. If you multiplied with 100, decimal move towards right side 2 places. That means we have only 1 place, the rest of the place you need to fill with 0. So 350%. 350%. The same way, even you can, this fraction also same thing. You can, fraction should be converted into percentage means you have to multiply it with 100%. Yes, that's all. 49 2 times 98%. 98%. This is the same number by same number. It is only one whole, right, children? One whole multiplied with 100% is 100%. Right. This is again decimal converted to fraction. Percentage means you need to multiply with 100%. So decimal shift towards 2 places right side. So that becomes a 5%. 5%. There are many questions for your practice. Now I'm going to call you one by one. Please answer because already we discussed
Ma'am, your
all these
voice
things.
is like cracking, ma'am.
Right now also it is happening same thing, children.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
it's not happening, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now, question
Ma'am,
2, Satvika, are you there? Satvika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Satvika, please. Satvika, this is 1 by 8. Convert this 1 by 8 into
100.
percent.
Yes, ma'am.
Into
We can take
100%. Yes, into
and then we
100%.
can divide by 2.
Okay.
4s are 8. 2 4s are 8.
Yes.
And 100 comes in 50.
Okay.
And then we can
Then
divide
again,
by 2. 2 2s are 4.
very good. Very good.
25.
Half of 50 is
25.
And what is left over here?
Then we can multiply 2 into 25. The answer is 50%.
No, why you are multiplying? That is, see, that's why my
Ma'am, you can
students
do
are
one
doing
more
it.
thing, ma'am. Ma'am, what you can do is 8
Yeah,
can
yeah.
be multiplied with
Wait,
125.
yeah,
ma'am.
Harini, wait,
So
I
then
will ask the
120.
yes, I
Ma'am,
will
8
ask
can be
Satvika
multiplied
only.
with 125, ma'am. And then it will become 1000 then. So
Yeah,
1 by 8
that's fine.
into
Satvika,
125 by
please.
125.
Satvika, please answer my question. If you want to convert a fraction to percentage means you just multiply it with 100% because this is 100 denominator no number. That means any whole number multiplied with fraction means the whole number belongs to numerator only. It's not denominator, children. So it's nothing but 100 by 8%, right? 100 by 8. Please simplify, ma. Please simplify, Satvika. How you supposed to simplify 100 by 8? Yes. Satvika?
2 4s are 8 and 50 for 100.
Yes,
And
2
then
4s are
2
8, 250 times. Again, 2 2s are 225 times.
25.
You said. Now, what is the leftover 25 by? 25 by 2. Half of 25 is how much?
Ma'am, 12.
Half of
12.5%.
12.5.
12.5% or 1 by 2% or 12.5%. Very good. Yes, good, ma. Next question goes to, let me call the students.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Raghav.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, there's some problem in my laptop. Can I just restart my laptop and join again?
Sure, Raghav. Sure. Please restart and correct yourself and come. Yeah. Jait, please answer the next question. 5 by 4 converted into percentile. Come on, quickly give the answer. 5 by 4 converted to percentile. Percentum. Percentum is a Latin word, children. We can, it's per 100. So 5 by 4 is a fraction. Fraction you need to convert into percent, means you should multiply with 100%. Jait, are you there or not?
Ma'am, 5 into 100 is equals to 500 divided by 4.
Very good. 500 divided by 4. 500 divided by 4, how much is
25%. 125%.
125%.
Yes,
Very good.
ma'am. We can also do 4 ones are 425 are, ma'am. It will be 25 multiplied by 5
Right.
and 125.
Right. Different ways, children. You can use your easiest method, speed method, which method you can take, a faster method also you can use that. Next, Harini,
Yes, ma'am.
please, next bit, come on, quickly answer one bit, one student, so that we can go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 3 by 40 equals to 3 by 40 into 100. So
Okay.
you can cut both the zeros.
Right.
2 twos are 2
3
5s
into
are
10 is 30. 30 by 4.
15 by 2, ma'am.
Okay,
Which is
15 by 2.
nothing
Very
but,
good. Half of 15. 15 half.
14.5.
Nana, 15 half.
Ma'am, 2.
15 chocolates you have.
7.5.
Ma'am,
7.5.
7.5.
7 1 by 2 or 7.5. Very good. Right. Next. Yes, please. Someone mic is unmuted. Please try to mute yourself. Next question goes to other student. Aditi, are you there? Aditi?
Yes,
Wait,
ma'am.
Aditi. Wait, Aditi. I'll come to you. Vallabha, please respond. Vallabha, Sri Vallabha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, your question is there is a fraction here. What is the fraction? Just a minute. The fraction is 2 by 7. You need to convert into percent. What I should do, Vallabha? I should multiply with
100.
100%. Come on, Vallabha. Now 2 into 100, 200 divided with the 7. Come on, please do division 200 by 7. Please do division and give the answer. This is your task. Please give that. Next one. Aditi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please, Aditi, the second bit, convert the given decimal to fraction. Given decimal fraction to percent. So here decimal fractions are given, children. You're supposed to convert them into percentage. What you should do quickly. Next question goes to Reddy. Yashashwini, are you there, Yashashwini? Yashashwini? Aditi, please. If you want to convert any decimal number into fraction also, percentage also, you need to
Ma'am,
multiply with
65%.
100%. Wait,
Ma'am,
Mansi.
65.
Aditi.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am, I'm telling 65%. Can you hear me?
Very good. Right. I can hear you. Right. You're correct. Next.
Ma'am,
Yashashwini. Wait, Srusti, I'll come to you. There are the other students. I didn't call them yet. Gohit.
Yes, ma'am.
2.1. Can you convert into percent?
Ma'am, 2.1 into percentage.
Yes.
Ma'am,
What you should do? You should
210%.
multiply with.
Ma'am, 2.1
100.
into 100.
So what is the value? Decimal shift towards right
I'm
side.
right towards right
But
side, so it will be 2.01. 001.
What is the
2.001.
no?
It will be 210.
What is this value? As it is only lakh, and whatever the value
ma'am.
is not there, that you have to place it.
I'm
What is the
210.
value?
2.10.
210%. Point won't come, Nana. Point shift towards the right side. Point won't come, right?
Ma'am, I was thinking we are
10%.
shifting the number.
Ma'am, can I do this
Okay,
one?
now wait, ma. I will. Yashashwini, am I audible to you, Yashashwini? Please respond, ma. Yashashwini, are you there? Sri Shiva Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranav, can you please 0.02? Can you convert into percent?
Ma'am, 0.02. Ma'am.
02.
Ma'am, first we should write into.
100%.
Ma'am, into we should write
Right.
100%.
No, then 2 zeros is there, means 2 decimal shift towards the right side, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the value? Anna, 0.02 ni 100 to multiply just what value? What value you are getting? Yes, I can hear only 2%. How means if you have any doubt, children, please write it in a decimal form. First decimal is given, convert into fraction. So point after 2 places you have, so you can write it as 2 by 100 into multiplied with 100% means you just cancel 100, you will get 2%. If you have any doubt like that, you just convert those decimal number into fraction, then you should multiply with 100% so that you will get correct answer. Yes, I think Jait, can you answer the last bit, Jait?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
the point goes 3 times right side.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the
Can I
point.
join my
Ma'am,
lab?
ma'am, the point
Only
will go
J.
3 times to the right side.
2 places towards right side because
Yes,
100
ma'am. 0.
means so what is the value? Decimal
Ma'am,
shift the other side means
12350%.
Ma'am,
1235%. That's
1,255.
all. No zero. Only 2 zeros are there, 2 places. So that's all, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
No zero. No zero.
Ma'am, can I tell the third question answer?
Harini, what is estimate the part of figure here? Colored figure.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is 1 by 4, ma'am, for the first figure.
Okay.
So 1 by 4
Okay.
into 100 equals to 25. So the answer is 100.
It's 25%, right? 25 quarter part is shaded. Very good. Then by seeing only you can
Ma'am,
say
next
this
is
is quarter
25.
part. Is
Ma'am, next is 20%.
No, ma'am, next
Next
is
is
60%. It's 60.
wait. Go ahead. How much percent? One is telling 20, one is telling 60. Which one is correct?
Ma'am, it's 60.
I'm at 60, ma'am. It's 60%.
Is correct.
Ma'am,
60.
each color is
Why-
20%. 20 into 3 is 60.
Yes, ma'am. It's 60.
Very good. 60%, right. Next one, last one.
Yeah, ma'am. Last one is
It's
37.5,
30%,
ma'am.
ma'am. It's 30.
37.5.
37.5.
No. Why it is like that? Please, 1, 2, 3 out of 3 by 8 into 100. Very good. That's nothing but 300 by 8. 300 by 8. If you simplify with
2,
4
ma'am.
table only,
150
you
by
can
4, 75 by 2.
Or 37.5.
150 by 4,
Ma'am,
75 by 2.
75 by 2.
Half of 75 means
37.
37.5.
right. No, right. Next part. Yes, Vallabha, are you giving answer or
Can I say
still
for the
you are
next
not
one?
responding?
Ma'am, can I say for
Okay.
this one?
The next question. Yes, find 15%
Ma'am, can I
of
say? Ma'am,
250.
15 divided by
Yes,
100
Jay.
multiplied by 250.
100. Very
Ma'am,
good.
15
Ma'am,
15 divided by 100 multiplied by
100
250.
multiplied with 250. Now please simplify this part.
Yes, ma'am. 0, 0 cancellation.
Okay.
Ma'am, and 2, 5 table 2, and 5 5 is 25.
Okay. Then
Ma'am, 15 5 is equal to
75.
75 by 2 again,
75 by 2 is the answer.
37.5 percentage.
75 by 2. 75 by 2 is 37 point. Right.
37.5.
Right.
Next one, can I do?
Next one, Mahavir Charan.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I
ma'am.
please?
Ma'am, it's ma'am 1% of 1 hour, ma'am. So it will be 1 by 100 multiplied by 60.
Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am will cancel the zeros.
Or else you convert into minutes, Nana. Seconds. Seconds you have to convert so that you will get answer as a whole part.
Ma'am, then it will be 3600.
Right. Other 60 I added here. 0,
Yes,
0
ma'am.
will cut it. What is
Ma'am,
the
then
answer?
it will be 36%.
36 seconds.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Next, who are going to Raghav? Can you give CBIT?
Ma'am, can I please, ma'am?
Srusti, please. CBIT. Wait, ma. Raghav, are you there in the classroom, Raghav?
Yeah, yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Yeah, Raghav, please. CBIT, answer the CBIT.
Yes, ma'am. 20% means 20 by 100 into 200. And we can cancel.
Yes,
the
I want the simplification part only, children. You are not simplification part. How you supposed to do? Please let me know so that I can cancel. I don't know.
Ma'am, 0, 0 cancel, ma'am. 100 and 25. 22 are 50. So another 0, 500 is 500 rupees.
Right, Raghav. Next question, Srusti
Can I do,
Patel.
ma'am, please, ma'am?
Yes, for you only.
Ma'am, Srishti, ma'am, can I do?
Yes, Srusti, for you only. This is question for you only. Long back you're asking. Come on.
1 kg is equals to 1000 meters. Then we have to do, ma'am, 75 by 100.
1 kg equal to, come on, once again repeat your words.
Ma'am, 1 kg is equals to 1000 meters. Then we have to do 75.
1 kg
How
equal to
meters? How meters?
Meters. Ma'am, it's
Grams.
grams.
Okay.
Ma'am,
And
Come
the
on,
answer is
Srusti.
750.
Very good.
Sorry.
750 what? 750 what?
Grams.
Ma'am,
750 grams, right.
ma'am, we have to find the grams, ma'am.
Yeah, in kgs we are. That's why you are telling 1000 grams, right? You only said that part. Whatever the part I wrote here, you said 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So answer is also in grams. Next, children, fifth bit is light, quite opposite bit. Children, very simply you can find out. 5% of number is 600.
Ma'am, 600 by
5%.
600 by 5 multiplied by 100.
That's all. 5% equal to 600 given, children. You need to find whole quantity. Whole quantity means 100% you're supposed to find. Yes, 1 minute, children. Wait, I'll. Yeah. Ishan.
600 into.
Ishan, please, fifth bit A1. Can you please tell fifth bit A1?
Fifth bit. What do you mean, ma'am? I didn't understand.
Fifth bit, first one. Can you please
Ma'am,
answer?
can I tell my Raghav?
Okay, ma'am. 5% of it is 600, ma'am. Then we would have to divide 100 by 5, ma'am, first.
Okay.
Which would give us 20. So then we would multiply 600 by 20.
So it's nothing but 12,000, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Simpler way is 600
Yes,
by
ma'am,
5
the
into
answer is
100.
12,000.
600 into 100 by 5 also we can do.
Ma'am, a
25.
simpler way is like do 600 by 5 into 100.
Yes, anything, but answer is same way you will get, children. Don't
Ma'am,
worry.
like 520 is
Next.
equal to 100, right? Ma'am, like 600.
Yes.
Ma'am, 600 multiplied by 20.
Ma'am, Raghav, can I tell, ma'am, please?
B bit.
Ma'am, Raghav.
1 minute.
For the B1, the answer is 9,000.
No.
Ma'am, can I Shivapranu?
1 minute, children. I will call the students without. Let me see the students for whom I didn't call yet. I supposed to call those students. Yashashwini, are you there? Yashashwini. Yes. Yashashwini, please respond. Vallabha. Vallabha, 12% is 1080. Can you find 100%? Can you find 100%? How much?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am? Ma'am, can I?
Raghav.
Yes, ma'am. The answer will be like 9,000. What we have to do is like 1,080 into 100 by 12, ma'am. And if we
Very good,
cancel,
very
ma'am,
good.
12 and 1080, we get 90, ma'am. So 90 into
Very
100
good.
is like 9,000.
Very good, very good. Simplest step you said, very good. Right. Next. Next, CBIT. CBIT, you see children, CBIT, Satvika, please answer CBIT. Satvika, please. 70% of 1 kg. 75% of, sorry, not 40% of 500 kilometers. 40% equal to 500 kilometers. You need to find 100%.
Yes, ma'am. We can
Yes.
take,
Yes. Yes, please.
ma'am, we can take it as x.
Okay. Okay. X. You can take unknown thing as X. Very good.
Then we
Very
can
good. This is also another method what Satvika is giving. Even we can find the same method to children. Yeah, please Satvika, tell your method so that I can write many methods makes. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. We can take it as x. So we can write 40% of x is 500 kilometers.
Right. Right.
So we can write 40 by 100 x
Very good.
is equal to 500.
Don't find only X value. If you send other side, it's a make a reciprocal. Right. Very good. Very good.
Then
Come on,
40x
please.
is equal to 100 into 500.
100 by 40. Reciprocal, Nana. Just send other side means reciprocal of the fraction.
The answer will be like
Reciprocal.
1,250 kilometers.
So 0, 0 or else 0, 0
Ma'am?
cut. 4 ones for 25 times. 25 twos are how, 25 fives are how much?
125. 125.
1,250.
Right. Like that you can find out this is kilometers today.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Like in the B question, should we convert the minutes into seconds or no need?
In debit minutes to seconds, yeah, I think no need, Harini. In this case, 70% equal to 14 minutes. 100% means more than 14 minutes you will get. That's no need. You just express directly in minutes only.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Right. Some particularly if any option is given, you just completely mention in seconds or mention in hours. Particularly anything condition is given, then you go according to your condition. Or else directly whatever the portion is given, directly you solve it. That's all.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I tell the debit
Raghav?
answer? Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, Raghav. I can call other students are not answering. Aditi, just a minute, Raghav. I'll come to you. There are many bits. I will come to you. Aditi, am I audible to you, ma? Can you please tell David? 70% of it. It means you take as X, Nana. Of it is anything your wish, or else 70% equal to 14 minutes. Aditi, am I audible to you, Aditi? Or else Shiva Pranav? Shiva Pranav.
Ma'am, can I do? Ma'am, Mahavir.
Yes, ma'am. Shiva Pranav.
Mahavir, I'll come to next. Yeah.
Ma'am, we should do 70 by 100.
Okay.
Ma'am, and 70 by 100 into m is equal to 14 minutes.
Very good.
Ma'am, and 0 and 0 cancel.
Okay.
Ma'am, and ma'am,
Nana, X you want to find out. You just assign this fraction to other side means what you will get reciprocal of.
10 by 10.
Reciprocal of 7 by 10. Reciprocal and reverse.
Ma'am, 10 by 7.
10 by
10. 7. Now you have to cancel 7 ones are 7 twos are. So X is equal to 2 into 10 is
Ma'am, 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Right, Nana, right.
Ma'am,
Next
can you hear
question
me?
goes to
Ma'am,
Yes, Aditi. Aditi, I can hear you right now. Can you please answer E bit, Aditi?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Please answer.
80% multiplied by x with x.
8%, not 80. 8% equal to 40 liters. Come on, ma. 8%
then
equal to? Yes. You need
8
to find
by 100.
100%.
8 by 100.
Very good. Is it 100 by
Into
8 or 8 by 100, Nana?
8 by 100.
Okay, 8 by 100. Okay, right.
Into
Like
x.
that also you into
Into
x
x
equal to 40.
40.
Very
And
good. Then you
then
need
40 multiplied by 100 and
very
by
good.
8.
Very good. Right. Come on, next step.
And
8 5s are 40.
8 ones are 8 fives are.
8
So
5 are
500.
40.
500 liters.
Right, children. Next, so Charan, Mahavir, Charan.
Ma'am, we need to convert 25% into
Ma'am, could
decimal
you go a
and
little
fractions.
down? I want to do the 8th question. Yeah, ma'am, thanks.
Ma'am, so it will be 25% divided by 100, ma'am, which is 0.25.
Okay.
Ma'am, and fractions will be 25 by 100.
Okay.
Ma'am, 25 ones are and 25 fours are, ma'am, so it will be 1 by 4.
Very good. Simplest form means you need to reduce into lower form, standard form. Right. Next, go hit 150%.
I'm 150% in fractions.
Yes,
Then
150
like
by
150
100.
divided by
That's it.
100.
Ma'am, 150
Yes.
divided by 100, ma'am. Ma'am, we should first
Can you
remove the
please?
zeros.
Okay.
And 30 by 20.
No.
So,
Come
ma'am,
on,
if
go
we
hit
do like
once
it,
again.
5
Please
table
simplify
is
15.
30 by 20.
Ma'am.
Again, if we simplify it,
Ma'am,
again we
Wait,
have
Jait,
Ma'am, it will be 3 by 2.
Jait.
3 by 2, ma'am.
Jait,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
5
ma'am.
3s are 5 2s are 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it a 3 table we are supposed to, 5 table we supposed to cancel, right?
Yes,
15
ma'am.
and
30 by
5.
20 will answer come. Again, if we simplify it, will come as 6 by
8, it is 3 by 2.
yes, but I am doing in lengthy process.
Yeah, okay. Anything answer is same thing. You will get Jait. Please check it and yeah. Go ahead. Please answer 20%.
It's 7 o'clock.
I'm 20% by 100.
Yes.
Ma'am, then cut the zeros, then 2 by 10. Ma'am, then 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. Ma'am, it will be 2 by 5, 1 by 5.
1 is to
Right.
5, we cannot say it.
No, that's ratio. They are asking
Yes,
in
ma'am.
ratio means you can express
into
into it.
complete.
Yeah, whatever the thing is asking, you just go ahead, right, children. That's all.
Ma'am, next
Leave
1
it,
by 20. Ma'am, 1 by 20.
Directly 1 by 20, right, children? In the next question, in a city, 30% are females, 40% are males, remaining are children. 30 plus 40 together 70. 70 plus what number?
30% is children.
30%,
Right.
which is simple.
Yes.
Right, children. Out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. Find percentage of voters who did not vote. Can you
40%.
now find how many
40%.
actually did not?
40%.
No, 1
40%. But they're asking about yes,
They
Ishan.
ask
They're
how
asking about
many? How many?
yes, please,
Ma'am,
Ishan.
it is
Ishan.
nothing but 60 by 100 into 1500
Ishan.
into 15,000.
Ishan.
Ma'am, 6,000.
Any problem?
Ma'am, 6,000 did not vote.
Okay.
Ma'am, actually
Ishan
6,000
did not vote. Right, children. Next, Ishan, can you please answer 9th bit? Yes, Ishan. Ishan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, it's nothing. Sorry, my mom was calling me for something.
Yeah, please, 9th bit. Can you answer 9th bit?
Yes, ma'am. Meeta says 400 from a salary. If this is 10% of a salary, what is his salary? Ma'am, first we would have to divide 100 by 10, which will give us 10. And then we have to multiply 400 by 10, which gives us 4,000. So salary is 4,000, ma'am.
Right, directly you can, 10% equal to 400.
Ma'am,
100%
400
means 10
multiplied
times
by
6. Right,
ma'am,
10 times it is
4
raising
multiplied by
children, so that 400
4
raised with 10 means
400 multiplied
4000.
by 10.
Right, next, Jade, please, 10th bit, please read the question louder.
Yes, ma'am. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. It won 25 matches. How many matches did they win? Ma'am, means is it like 25% divided by 100?
They won 5 matches, ma'am.
They won 5 matches.
Yes,
Yes,
Nana,
ma'am.
20 matches you are divided into
Yes,
4
ma'am.
equal parts. So one each equal part is 5.
And
That's
5.
25%, 4 matches. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Right,
Ma'am,
children.
ma'am.
That's yeah.
Means
Next,
15, ma'am, 75% they lost.
This is one more interesting topic, children. Increase or decrease percent. Increase and decrease always calculated on initial amount, children. Whatever initial we are spending, that amount. Suppose you see here the question: a school team won 6 games in this year against 4 games won last year. What percent increase here? So initially, how many games a school team won? 6 games in this year against 4 games won last year. Here, what percent increase? What percent? How many games here increased on what? How you supposed to calculate? See, children, last year initial year means last year. So 2 matches here increased. So 2 out of 4 into 100. 2
Ma'am,
out
2
of
by
4
4
means 1
multiplied by 100, ma'am, which is 50%.
yeah, like that. So increase or decrease always will be calculated on initial amount or initial quantity or initial means last year. Here we are taking initial value as last year's. Next, you see here the other question. The number of illiterate persons in the country decreased 150 lakhs to 100 lakhs in 10 years. What percentage of decrease? So decrease always will be calculated on initial. So how much decreased, children? 50 divided by 50 divided by Harini, 50 divided by here decrease
Yes.
percent. How you supposed to calculate?
Ma'am, you can
Yes.
calculate like
50
50 by 100 or 50 by 150 here we supposed to use.
50 by
Who
1.
will give correct answer?
50 by 1.
Initial 50 by
150.
very good. 50 by 150. Why? Because initially the people of the city was 150 lakh. So it is decreased little later. So initial amount 150. So that 50 divided by 150 into 100 you're supposed to do, children. Right. Like that we can go. There are different questions here. Try this. Find percentage of increase or decrease. Price of shirt decreased rupees 80 to 60. 80 rupees to 60 means decrease 20 rupees decreased on 80 rupees. 20 by 80 into 100. Marks in test increased from 20 to 30. 10 marks are increased out of 20. 10 by 20 into 100. The same way,
First one is 25 and second one. Wait.
10 by 20 into 100. That's 1 by 2 into 100 is 50%. Increase or decrease percent will be always calculated on initial quantity. So next question, second, my mother says in her childhood the petrol was rupees 1 per liter. It is 52 per liter today, but it is not 52 per liter today. It's more than 100 rupees today. Maybe you have to calculate according to your today's by what percent has the price gone up? Yes, children.
He will take 150 rupees, ma'am. Wait.
But today 150 కాదు నాన్న, 100 rupees some amount, 104 or 105 you're supposed to take approximation.
Ma'am, it will take 105.
And one more lively question for you, children. How gold was increased? You're supposed to calculate. You ask your mother's childhood 1 gram gold is how much? Nowadays, what is the 1 gram gold? How much percent it is increased? You find out. That's your homework for you today. Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes. Yeah, please, 1 gram gold, you just find out from your mother when their childhood, what is the cost of 1 gram gold. Now, what is the cost of 1 gram gold? Now you have to find the percentage of price gone up. How much percentage today 1 gram gold gone up? Like that, whatever increase percent or decrease percentage, you have to calculate lively examples you're supposed to take, children. We'll meet in next class, children. Please try such questions like increase percent or decrease percent. Next class we will go with the cost price. What is cost price? What is selling price? When you will get profit? When you will get loss? And the profit percent, loss percent.
Ma'am, when are we going to discuss like simple interest, compound interest?
I didn't discuss yet. Next class we will probably within 1 or 2 classes we will complete this chapter, children.
Ma'am, because
I
in
think
our
long back, these all points also I discussed, but long back I discussed. That's why I just recapitalize once again, because many days you may forget the things. Once again I explained all these things, children.
And because in our school
Right.
they taught us simple interest, but compound interest is for 8th class students.
Yes, ma'am. They did not teach
Only
compound
one bit. I think only one bit is there. Let me check. I think one bit is there or not. I'm not sure here. Yeah, only one bit. No, it's only just, I think, simple interest only. There is no compound interest for you, children.
Oh, okay.
2 classes is enough. Yeah, 2 classes is enough. I think 8th class
Just
you have
the
compound interest.
principal, time and rate and all simple interest. There only it will involve PTR and everything.
Yes, yes. Children, shall we end up today's session, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll meet in next class. Please see what is CPSP, how you supposed to find cost price, the selling price, profit percent, loss percent. Please come with the idea so that we can quickly complete the concept too. Then we will go with interest. What is interest? What is interest, children, actually? Do you heard about interest anytime
Yes,
from
ma'am.
your
Ma'am,
parents?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, can I
Usually
give an
when people
example?
take bank loans or something, they're like, you
Okay.
have to pay with interest.
Okay, you
Like
are paying
the
some
amount
extra
of
amount.
extra money charged. For example, if we get 10
Yeah.
rupees, ma'am, from a person, if we give 10 rupees
Yes.
back to that person will not give us loan. He says that
Yeah.
he wants some money extra. That extra money is only called interest.
Very good, very good. Right, children,
Yes,
right,
ma'am.
right.
Ma'am,
Because
and
you
usually
are
like when
very
a person takes loan from a person, then like
exactly.
they charge them like 10 rupees per month or a year like that. Like it depends on the
Yeah,
money, the amount they take.
Exactly, exactly, Harini, exactly. Please use just observe you, or else you can ask from your parents how the interest is calculated. Such a terminology words. You just go with the discuss. You just discuss the words with your parents too. What is
Can I tell
interest?
how interest is calculated? If you want interest, ma'am, the amount of money we take and the time
Yes,
and
yes.
the rate of interest. For example, they'll give like 1%, 2%. We have to multiply with that, then we'll get the interest.
Yes, PTR by 100.
Principal, time and rate by 100.
Right, right. That's a simple interest. There are different types of interest, children. We have compound interest too. That compound interest, you're little later you will learn, because you are too young. You can learn right now simple interest concepts only. We'll meet in some more interesting things in next class, children. And that's all for today. Have a nice day to you all, children. Bye. Take
Thank
care.
you,
Have a
ma'am.
good
Have a
day,
nice
children.
day.
Ma'am, bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Yes, yes. Pranav, please, something you are telling. Please tell.
That